Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Just Kiesha if you're new, and I post beauty and lifestyle content. If that's something that you're interested in, please make sure y'all subscribe and continue to watch. So I'm excited about today's video. Like, I know y'all already read the title. It's gonna be a Louis Vuitton unboxing video, but I'm actually really excited because I like unboxing videos, y'all. I haven't done one since my Telford bag video, which I'm gonna link up top, but I actually really like doing unboxings and, you know, just being excited like when opening stuff. And these two items were actually gifted to me by my husband from Louis Vuitton, and I decided, like, why not share this excitement with y'all? Like, I might as well. So yeah, I'm gonna make this a thing on my channel too. Like, anytime I get like any luxury item or something that I'm excited about that I want to share, I'm gonna do an unboxing video so I could share it with you guys. So make sure y'all turn on y'all post notification if that's something that you're interested in, and we gonna get right into this video. I'm excited, you guys. So should we open the little one first, or should we open the big one first? Little one or big one? Oh no, I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with the little one first and save the big one for last. So y'all ready? So inside we have a nice little Louis Vuitton box. It has this little blue tab here, nothing on the back. Nice, cute, simple. And just pull it out like a drawer. It's really tight, so I'm struggling a little bit. Hold on. Hold up. There we go. Okay, so now that I got it open, this is what it looks like. It has a dust bag with the Louis Vuitton print on it. Nothing on the back, just a regular Louis Vuitton dust bag. And inside, we got a wallet. Look how pretty. The name of this wallet is actually called the Sarah wallet, and I'm super excited about it because I've never had any Louis Vuitton monogram pieces, only damier. So this is literally my first Louis Vuitton monogram piece. So like, can we get like a hand clap or something? Like, this is in the monogram family now. Like, I have some monogram in my closet. I'm excited about that. I don't care who's not. I am. But yes, y'all, I love it. And up close and personal with it, it has a nice little envelope flap. It does say Louis Vuitton on this little button here. And in the back, it does have like a little pocket for you to put some of your personal belongings. Super cute. I'm going to open it, and it has about 6 pockets for your cards that you could put credit cards, driver's license, things of that sort. And then on the inside, it has the fuchsia interior, which is really cute. I think it gives a really nice look to something so simple. And then you have like these pockets where there's also more areas for you to put your credit cards, gift cards, whatever. It also has it in the front as well. Let me turn it so y'all can see. It does have it on this side as well. And then when you zip this part open, you have another little pocket area where you could probably store your cash, anything that you don't want like to lose, anything important. And on the zipper, it has the nice Louis Vuitton logo. So I am definitely happy about this, you guys. Like, I literally said that I needed a new wallet around Christmas time because the one that I had before, oh my god, like, I was getting ready to just order a wallet off of Amazon because it had to go. Like, but he definitely paid attention when I said that I wanted a Louis Vuitton wallet for Christmas. This wallet actually, it retails about $720, probably a little more with taxes depending on what state you're in, but nevertheless it's still a good buy. Like, the quality feels really good, the leather feels really good, and it's Louis Vuitton, so I mean, you're gonna spend a little bit on a wallet. Moving on to our little friend over here, which I'm excited about. I'm gonna pull that out of the bag, and we have another nice little box with the Louis Vuitton print on it. And then when you open it up, it does have the dust bag inside. So this box is kind of big. So we have the dust bag with the Louis Vuitton print, and when you open it, what's inside? Okay, you guys, I'm excited. So here we have it, you guys. I don't know how to pronounce this name of this bag correctly, so do not drag me if I'm saying it wrong, but I think it's called the Pochette Accessoires. Reason being is because it has like a bunch of different little accessories on it. It's super cute. So let's start off with the strap. So the strap comes in 2 colors. This one is pink, and it has Louis Vuitton words in like a tannish light brown color, and it has like little gold clasp all over it. It's very adjustable, so you can do whatever you want to do with it, adjust it to your comfort level. It does also come with a green strap, but I actually prefer the pink one because y'all know I'm more of like a simple, like nudie, mauve type of person. So this is all the way me. On the strap itself, it comes with a coin purse with the monogram print. Y'all know I'm excited about the little monogram thing over here. So it does come with a coin purse. It is detachable, so you literally just press that and you can detach it from the strap. So I'm just gonna put that back there, and then when you open the coin purse up, it literally just has like this little sponge in there, I guess to keep the shape of the coin purse. All right, so now you have the 2 pochettes. So I'm just gonna say like it's a size small and size medium because I don't know what a large would look like, but they are super cute. The thing about this bag that I love is how versatile it is, you guys. So let's say I wanted to just rock with one, I could easily just detach it and rock one, period. Like it's like a 3-in-1, like y'all, it's like a 3-in-1. And then on the inside of this bag, it has a pocket here, and then it has another big area. This is the chain that keeps sliding around, so it does come with the chain. And yeah, pretty simple, pretty cute. So now with the chain, what you can do is attach the chain to the smaller one. And let me just do this. Attach it to the smaller one, and you got you a cute little dainty purse to throw over your shoulder when you're going on date night. Like, feel me? This is so cute to me. So cute. Like, and I think you can even detach the strap and wear this like a cute little, you know, like a clutch type of thing, and make it something really cute. So you literally could have one bag, or you could have a little clutch, or if you want to be super chill and casual with it, you know, because we got options over here. You could just do one of these, throw it on there, and you got you a nice little casual bag. Like, I absolutely love this bag, you guys. And then you can even keep the chain on this and put it here and just make it super cute. Love it. Everything on the bag has the Louis Vuitton logo. Like, all the zippers have the Louis Vuitton logo, and same thing, the monogram is just super sleek, super cute, super nice. Like, I absolutely love this bag. This bag retailed, I think it was $2,050, but I definitely think it's worth it because, like I said, you're getting multiple. Like, you're getting more than one bag for the price of one bag. Like, you know what I mean? So I definitely think this was a really good buy from him, because you can't go wrong when you could be as versatile as this, okay? And if I wanted to, I could purchase the green strap and just switch it around as well. So you guys, that wraps up this unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed the pieces that I showed y'all in this video. I'm gonna link the names of the items down below, so if you guys are interested, y'all could check them out. And definitely stay tuned, because like I said before, I'm gonna be making unboxing videos a thing on my channel, especially when I get new items that I know people would love to see. So definitely subscribe if that's something you're into. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, and comment what your favorite item was. Was it the wallet? Was it the bag? Was it both? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys in my next video really soon. Bye guys.